Seismic.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Hey, smash your hoe, but it's nicely. Yeah, smash your hoe, but politely. I think that she like me. Why? Cause my diamonds be too icy.
So you guys asked for it. You guys got an in-depth video of the EF Frankenstein. So this is a 91, you said?
Yeah.
91. Okay. So what can you tell me about this engine?
The engine, it's V20B.
Okay.
We half mill boarded so that we get a fresh block to work with. Full, everything is aftermarket. We did crankshaft balance, ACL bearings, Eagle rods. No, sorry, it's Manly rods with Y-Skull piston, 12 volt to 1. Obviously, just the bolt-ons that you can see. Head was port and polished, slight mill job. Brian Crowder cams, stage 2. What else?
What do you have done for suspension wise?
There's K2 and K1s. 30-way dampening.
On this car, you got that reinforced bar in the front, right?
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, we had to because the headers wouldn't clear, and it also opens up a lot of space, right?
That's sick.
Yeah, it's a traction bar. It doesn't really work, but you get a lot of wheel hop, but it's okay.
You have any idea what numbers it should be planting or could plant or?
Probably 150.
150?
No, I don't know. Maybe like it's in the twos, 2 something. It's all motor B series, so I mean.
So it's NA, just built. That's
NA.
pretty sick. I see you did the interior too. You got the race. Is that racing seats or just?
Yeah. I'm gonna reupholster everything. Though.
Oh, that's proper. See the car is a mess right now because it's just being stored. But yeah, it's not bad, man. And so, how long have you had this car for?
Since 2006. Started off as the green teal.
Time bitch, I'm stacking. Blow it back in the strip, do a rack quick. I be dripping design on my fabric. Gotta be just off of Molly and Sapphic. 20s up in my back, all the cabbage. Slim thick, that bitch tryna get married. Wanna see the price, it go very. Ooh, tap, swipe, I swipe it. I be serving it for no license. Run for him, I'm coming up leaning. I don't come in for no reason. I be rapping, getting back and tell you not to buy my actions. I just sweat, that's a transaction. My bro get a piece of the fashion.
Showing the nigga that's getting no paper. I pick up and ballin' like a Laker. That hoe reaching out for me to save her. Hit her one time, you know I cannot date her. I ain't gon' tell no lie. Tryna win the enterprise. Tryna go worldwide. Didn't know about the pain that we went through. Mama crying cause of rental.
That green teal ugly color. We painted it white. Did the Fast and Furious look.
Yeah.
You know? It was hot for its time.
Well, yeah, because it wasn't from this area, but it still looks good to me. I like it. I don't know how many other people will say
I
that.
get enough compliments like it. Some people don't like it, some people like it. I mean, it was a gift. I'm not gonna like change it. I've already dumped enough money into it.
Fair enough. Yeah, you can see that here. Fair enough. So you got the Frankenstein hooded. Or you built that yourself?
Yeah, that's true. That was a spare hood. We just stripped it out, you know.
Yeah, that hood got a lot of views. A lot of people.
The original hood is up there, like up there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's hanging. I wouldn't get rid of it, but.
Okay. Well, yeah, this hood. This is the inside's red, but the outside's white.
Yeah, the outside is all white. It's light too, so.
Lightweight and a little bit of protection. It's nice. This video. This is what got a lot of views. A lot of you guys like this. I saw.
Yeah. Just spray canned it.
That's good for spray can. Alright. Okay. And I see you got a Mustang beside you too. I'm pretty sure a lot of people.
That's the new project. This one is gonna make big power.
Big. So is this the anniversary edition or what Mustang
this
is
is
this?
a 2013 GZ Trackback. Has a bigger rear diff gear, and then it's I don't think the car has no battery right now. It's
It's got the Ricardo insides.
yeah, everything was done from factory.
Okay. Looks like a Shelby.
Oh, kind of.
It's not though. This is a GT or is
This
this?
is a regular GT trackback.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's dirty. It's dirty. And you have another EF. I don't know if you wanna.
Here, you can show whatever you want.
Yeah. This guy's got tons of Hondas. You were the Honda king at one point. Had all the Hondas. Yeah, okay.
Kid style, and this is just everything's gonna be like, you know, these are Shelby American rims.
Jeez, what size are these?
These are 19 or 20. I don't even remember. 19 or 20. These are signed by Carol Shelby. Carol Shelby.
Oh,
rims.
what? Oh, sweet.
So,
You got these from Ford?
yeah, it's California.
Jeez.
They came from no, not California. Sorry, Las Vegas.
Oh, sweet.
Las Vegas. Shelby America.
So this car you're pretty much gonna be doing up with factory parts, and this one, like you said earlier, and this one.
Eventually, my idea for this car is turning it into a Super Snake, maybe wide body Super Snake. So
That's gonna look sick.
yeah, it's a lot of money, but you know, slowly.
That's gonna look dirty. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna want to see this. You gonna put slicks on these wheels, or
I'm gonna put a big semi-slick. Can't put crazy slick because it has to be driven.
in the on the road? Makes sense.
If I put a slick, you can have no traction when you go over a puddle of water.
That's true. Alright, bro. Thanks for showing us your whips, because I'm sure a lot of people want to see that. That's
No
sick.
problem.
Yeah, drip, drip, I got water talking Aquafina. Bad bitch so fine, I told her twirl like a ballerina. Evergreen on that beat, so you know it's gon' be a eater. My niggas, they come through, they shoot no kung fu. Drip, drip, I got water talking Aquafina. Bad bitch so fine, I told her twirl like a ballerina. Evergreen on that beat, so you know it's gon' be a eater. My niggas, they come through, they shoot no kung fu. Big rats in my denim and it's see-through. I rock Gucci, I rock Fendi on occasions too. I rock the R, I got it from the start. Yeah, it's push to start, I put that bitch on spar. Yeah, skirt is not a beater, it's a Lambo bitch. I told my mama I'm in the stool, I'm tryna get her rich. And I smoke gas, so that cookie man is off the zip. Hey, could you believe how this shit is coming off the rip? All you've been chasing my dreams, yeah, yeah. So I do this for my fucking team, yeah, yeah. Green on the fucking beat, yeah, yeah.
It's torquey.
It's like half pedal, well, 3/4.
Has your dad driven it yet?
Yeah.
What'd he say?
You liked it? Ready?
She moves.
She goes, she's okay. She has a lot of balls. Start planting. She has a lot of balls.
mama, I'm fucking with this. So home in my corner, keep bringing them hits. My diamonds, they water, they wet like a fish. I know that you want it, or you better win.